Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm a designer here at Queensberry. So you've set up a price list and it's now attached to your event. You're now ready to share the gallery with your clients so they can start purchasing. So this is an open gallery here, and the first indication that I've added a price list is this shopping cart icon is showing in the top right. So if we scroll down and to view the images, how your client would order products is they would hover over the image, and here you can see they can share it, favorite the image, or add it to their shopping cart. Also, if you've added digital downloads to the price list, it will show up here. Cool, so I'm just going to order a few prints. What's really great is you can be a New Zealand based photographer, but for example, your client's mother lives in London. She can purchase products from your cart and we can ship to her directly. And the buy products pop-up will show up. So on the left is the products that you've included in the price list, and there's also a few images and a description that shows as well. Now this login pop-up will appear. Why would your clients need a login? They can save favorite images. This is a great tool for selecting images for, say, an album design. And also they can save items into their shopping cart for a future purchase. They can also log in with Facebook or log in as a guest. Cool, so it's added the image into my cart. I'm going to close that pop-up. So I'll just add another one. Great, so now I'm ready to view my cart. Here you can review the products, the price and the quantity, and also if you want to crop the images at all. You can actually disable cropping so the clients can't touch your images. And to do this, in the navigation and workspace, click Cell and Shopping Cart Settings. I'm happy with that. Next is enter your details. That's done, and also shipping options, so I might just go economy. And there's always a summary on the right hand side with your products here and the total. So I'm happy with that. And a final order summary will appear, just so that you're happy with what you're ordering. Shipping details, and if you've made a mistake you can just click this edit button here and you can tweak that. Cool. And then your client would click process payment and that will take them to PayPal.